and your skin super pure. Hello, welcome back to my kitchen, welcome back with Chef Paolo. So, today we're gonna keep doing our super healthy, easy and delicious juice. Today is the day of a detox pure skin juice. You know guys, I tell you many times, we are what we eat, and especially the quality of our skin, it depends on what we eat. So let's check the ingredients. Super easy as usual guys. 1 liter of water, 1 pear, 1 green apple. If you don't have the green apple, you can use even the red apple, no problem. 1 lemon juice, 50 grams of spinach, some leaves of mint, some ginger, and 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, so it's super easy as usual. We start to peel our apple and our pear. Let's go. We do 4 parts first. Take out the part in the middle. We chop in 2 and we put in our blender. Let's go with our pear. I love pear guys. Especially in the winter time, they got the best. Now we add our Spanish leaves, our mint leaves, and then we peel our ginger. We take all the juice of our ginger inside our juice. That is the time of our lemon. Cut it too, and we take all the juice. We have everything here, guys. Vitamin C of the lemon, the iron of the spinach, all the properties of the apple and the pear, all the vitamins inside the honey. The honey, it's gold, guys. We add our lemon juice. Last but not least, again, 1 spoon of our honey. Then we add our water. Let's make magic. Done, guys. Few seconds and our super delicious detox skin pure juice is ready. Oh, it's time to pour. Alright guys, now is the best moment. Let's drink it together. Cheers. Mamma mia ragazzi, it's unbelievable how healthy, fresh and tasty it is. You cannot imagine. You drink something like this every day, you're gonna make your body super detox and super clean, and your skin super pure. Few ingredients, make it at home, you will love it. This and many other healthy juices with Chef Paolo. So cheers to all of you, and